Hello everyone, I am Manav Thakkar. Hope you are safe and taking precautions for the COVID-19. It's been a long time since I met you and hopefully the things will be sorted out and we will surely meet. So today I would like to share some tips which I did in lockdown and maybe you should also try it. So first of all, I'll start with mental training. Mental training is very important for a player because it will help you when the scores are leveled up or maybe it's the ending of the game. For example, when the score is 10-9 or maybe 11-10 you lead or 11-10 you are down. At that time, we miss many easy balls. Like sometimes we miss the serve, sometimes our serves goes out. Sometimes we cannot perform our best kill because at that time our breathing is very high. So it's very important to control our breath at that time. So personally, I have started doing yoga and meditation in this lockdown and it has helped me a lot. Now I can control my breathing and my concentration is much better than before. So I would like to suggest you that you can also do some meditations and focus on your breathing, like control your breathing by doing pranayams so that it won't be difficult for you to play crucial matches at the end time. And the second thing which I would like to tell you is about physical fitness. I think this is the best time when you can work on your body, have a good physique, because when the tournaments are going on, you have to focus more on your skill, more on your techniques and tactics. But this is the time where you can focus on your physical fitness. So maybe someone like, for example, me, I have a lean body. So I have started doing strength training in this lockdown and my weight has increased up to 3 to 4 kgs in this lockdown. So if somebody is fat, he can be thin, he can do more cardio. If somebody is thin, he can do some strength training. And if somebody is like, okay, he's healthy, then he can do more of, cardio, strength and core training, because everything is important for a TT player. Like you use your core when you want to hit more power. You should have good legs in order to move and in order to take weight. And it's very important to have a good upper body. Like it should not be hunched, it should be properly broad. So it's very important that you do fitness because our game is forward bending game. So physical fitness is very important and I think this is the best time for you to do physical fitness in terms of I think you have the best physios over there. So you can ask them, you can discuss with them about what and when you should train and what type of training you should do for your body. But it's very important to do 1 or 2 hours of fitness every day in this period. I am personally doing 2 hours of fitness every day. The third thing is focus on your services and receives in this period, because for a player to serve well, it takes almost one month or 2 months to learn some new services. And at the same time, you should also practice in the match. Like you should do it in the match practices. You should do it with players, the practice service. So it's very important that you change your game in terms of services. Like somebody wants to do reverse serve. It's not that easy that you learn the next day and you go to the tournament and you do your services. It's important that at least you give a time of 1 or 2 months. So practice regularly services, like take 100 balls, 200 balls and serve regularly. Maybe and whichever service you want to do. Long services, short services, side spin serve, back spin serve, no spin serve, reverse serve, shovel serve, hammer. Maybe it's your wish, like which suits you the most, which you like the most. And at the same time, receiving is also very important, because the difference between a lower level player and higher level player is higher level players are good in quality, good in services, good in receives, and there is where the lower players lack. So it's very important that you improve your serves and receives in this period, and this is the best time because you have plenty of time. Like full day, I don't think you have something to do like studies or reading or nothing. It's like free for you. So and service practice and receive practice won't take much of your energy also. It will just take your time. So it's very important that you focus on that and come with a blast when the season opens up. The fourth thing is technique. Like for example, some of you have good backhand, some of you have a good forehand, some of you have a good block, some of you have good short game, but always a player has a weak points. So this is the time where you can only work more on your weak points. Like if you are not good at short, you play some sequences with short balls. If you are not good at hitting backhand topspin, you go for multi-ball training, you go for hard training, or maybe you just practice sequences for the first ball open with backhand. If you are not good in movement, maybe you should focus more on consistency. So this all you can discuss it with your coaches and plan it accordingly from player to player. And it's very important for each and every player to have his own type of training. It's not necessary that you just play the training which other player is doing, because your body is different, your diet should be different, your everything, you are different and the other player is different. So it's very important that you focus on your own training and work on your weak points in this lockdown period. And the last and the main thing I would like to tell you is diet. Like, diet is very important in everything, because what you eat will affect how you react also. If you are eating good food, your body will be good, your body will be healthy. And in this period, to do not get COVID, it's very important you should have a healthy diet. You should improve your immunity by taking vitamin C tablets, or maybe lemon water, or maybe boost your immunity by eating pulses, have a good protein, carbs, everything, but not fat. And don't eat junk at all, because this is the time when you will regret if you are eating junk and if your body weight is increased. And after 2-3 years, you will regret that I had time to work on my body or work on my training, but I misused it by enjoying and maybe eating wrong food and taking wrong decisions. So this is the time where you should be selfish will be the word. You should be selfish on yourself, that what you do, you should know and you should do it properly, because this time will never come back. You won't get this much amount of training, I don't think, in the few coming years. So this is the time you should work on everything, like I told you about mental training, fitness, services, techniques and diet. And then hopefully everything will open up and soon we all will meet in tournaments, and I hope to see you all come with a blast and maybe win more and more medals for Petroleum Academy. Thank you very much.